Hello guys, welcome to K1 Repair Center. I'd like to share it with you the feature I have in my Samsung when you are receiving the scam calls and sort of calls and you're very annoying. Actually, you can go in your Samsung phone and activate it text to call. It means if someone call you, the Bixby is going to answer it and read the note to the caller, and the caller is need to say who are they and what they are want before you answer your call. How you activate it? Go to your Samsung, go to the phone pad, three dot at the top, click in that one, settings, text to call, go in that one and turn it on. You can choose what language you want, the voice and the quick response, what they all want to hear from you first before you answer the call. So let it test it now. Let me call this number. So you will receive a phone call here and press the text to call and slide it to answer.
Hi, I'm using a voice assistant to convert your voice to text and respond to you. If you want to continue, please tell me why you're calling.
I'm calling regarding the accident you have. Calling regarding the accident. Okay, it's not going to show me. Normally show me what they are the other parties say. The writing down there. However, if you are receiving the phone call and you don't want to answer it, or you want to say you are a scammer, you can customize it, the respond to the other color and just press example. I have customized the scams here, recording, urgent or whatever. If I click the scam, this is customized what I have described. If I click a scam,
You are reported as scams and your number will block and add to the scams database. Hope you have a miserable day.
so that's it, and you can hang off. I hope this video is help to stop this scammer is going to call you, or what the other one what I have as well. I think is a good to customize the description. You can have it see as well. So let again.
Hi, I'm using a voice assistant to convert your voice to text and respond to you. If you want to continue, please tell me why you're calling.
So if I go in now, have customized the recording. I don't understand why it's not showing me. Normally, if I talk to a phone, it's show me what I say, the other color say. Probably I need to update it or restart it again. I'm not very sure. But normally when the color responded, here is going to write it down what is will be. However, it's not showing now. But I have the other customized description what I have done. I'm going to click a recording.
Thank you. This call may be monitored or recorded. Please wait to be connected.
So, and if you want to answer it, the call, just press this button and you are going to answer it. All right. So I hope this video is help. If you got a question, please drop me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Talk to you later and hopefully see you in the next video.